traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 22nd of February 2021 and currently time is 10:09 AM. So traders, coming on to our today's trade, I have taken a trade in SBI Life for the selling side and I have shorted 11 quantities. You can see here, traders. Okay traders, so here we are trying to get a risk reward ratio of 2.82, where our target is this and our stop loss is over the previous string high. Okay traders, so trade is going on and it is showing some good momentum, so we will wait and see what happens. So traders, when it will show some good momentum or hit our target, I will update you. So now I'm pausing the video. So traders, here you can see our target was achieved, and also after triggering our target it also went downside. Here you can see it gave a very good momentum. So traders, this was our today's trade. Now let me show you the profit. So this is the terminal, traders, on which I take trade. This is of Samco stock note. So today's profit is 106 rupees. Traders, what happened that I made a small loss in LNT. Here you can see. So today's total profit got 106. Otherwise, if we were trading only in SBI Life, our profit was more than this. Okay traders, so now let me explain you the setup. Coming on to the 15-minute time frame of SBI Life. Now let me come it on 1 hour so it will be easily visible. Okay, so here you can see, traders, that a triangle pattern was got formed. So it was done analysis yesterday. So a triangle pattern was formed. So what I did, I was watching this stock. So now coming on to the 1 minute time frame. What happened in the morning? It gave breakout of this pattern. Here you can see, and when it gave a breakout, I entered here with a stop loss which was of the previous string high, and the target was the next resistance. So this is what happened and our target was achieved, and net profit of today's is 106 rupees. Okay traders, so I hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.